We start getting renders for this year's iPhones, and thank God the notch is smaller. Qualcomm has just announced the future of Windows 10 PCs with their new Qualcomm Snapdragon 850, and more renders of the BlackBerry KEY2 just emerged, and we can't wait. I'm Jaime Rivera, and by the time this video goes live, you might still be able to participate on the Mate 10 Pro giveaway in the link in the description. And yes, we are giving away an always connected PC, an HP Envy X2. Those conditions come very soon. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. I still recommend the Samsung Galaxy S8 and Galaxy S8 Plus. These are still great phones, and there are some deals where you can find them for as low as $420 or $520 respectively. Are they worth it? Yes, they are. You can learn more in the description. Now let's talk about the BlackBerry KEY2. We are 2 days away from the event, and famous tipster Evan Blass has just provided renders, and I trust those renders, definitely. Evan does a great job. So far, I have to tell you this much. I used to be a big BlackBerry consumer. Then I saw the KEY1 and I liked it, but it wasn't perfect. But if these renders of the KEY2 are real, I think I'm in love. There's more information on the specifications as well in the description. I can't wait to see it. I'm going to be at the event. Now let's talk about the iPhone SE 2018. WWDC just passed. We saw no phone. We've got conflicting rumors. Some companies are claiming that we are going to continue seeing the same iPhone SE design. Others, even case makers and now even screen protector makers, are saying that we're going to get a dramatic redesign and that it's also going to get a little more expensive. Whatever the case may be, it's going to be rather interesting for Apple to launch 4 iPhones later this year. But hey, I mean, it could happen. Now let's move the spotlight over to Qualcomm, as the company has taken over Computex right now to announce their new Snapdragon 850 processor for computers. And so bear in mind, it's like the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, only it's got improvements and enhancements that will allow it to be better for always connected PCs. I have been testing the HP Envy X2. There's a full video on my experience so far. First impressions, our reviews coming very soon. But my impressions so far are very positive. Let's see how it rounds out after a week or two of testing. And finally, the most interesting news today have to do with the first CAD renders that we see in video for the iPhone 10, 2018, and whatever other units we're getting. Interesting, we see a smaller notch, but then in absolutely everything else in the design of the iPhone 10 2018, there aren't many changes. In the case of the LCD iPhone, that's going to be the most affordable one, apparently the price tag is really going to be around $660, and we hear that the camera might not be dual. Apparently it's just going to be a single camera. Other than that, we pretty much see the same things. We wonder if that Plus variant of the iPhone 10 is going to bring the triple cameras in the rumors. But whatever the case may be, let us know in the comments. What do you think? Do you like the CAD renders? Do you think that Apple should retain the design? In my case, yes, smaller notch, and wow, Apple, could you make a smaller camera hump? That would be awesome. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here, and you can watch our thoughts on the HP Envy X2, the Snapdragon always connected computer, down here. And also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.